Top 10 marketing strategies for commercial cleaning. Number 1. Improve your website's local SEO and acquire a lot of reviews on Google, Yelp. Number 2. Create an online tool or calculator that provides a free estimate. Number 3. List your cleaning services on sites like Angie's List. Number 4. Set up Google search advertising and optimize them with the assistance of a professional. Number 5. Provide existing customers with cleaning subscription packages. Number 6. Set up a promotional email newsletter to engage prospects and customers. Number 7. Create retargeting advertising campaigns on Facebook and Google Display. Number 8. Display your work on Instagram, Facebook, and Google Business. Number 9. Participate in local business associations and fund their events. Number 10. Distribute flyers throughout business buildings and offices. If you are looking for any kind of digital marketing help, check out Brainido's Digital Marketing Marketplace. Find all services at one place and get started for free.